AMD Granite Ryzen desktop CPUs spotted, Zen 5 in 8 and 6 core flavors, 105 watts and 170 watts TDPs. AMD's next-generation Granite Ryzen desktop CPUs with 6 and 8 cores based on the Zen 5 architecture have been spotted in a shipping manifesto. AMD's next-general Ryzen Granite Ridge desktop CPUs have been spotted, 8 cores and 6 cores with up to 170 watts TDP. Just like the AMD Ryzen Mobility CPUs based on the Zen 5 core architecture that leaked out a couple of hours back, we now have the first samples of the Granite Ridge desktop Ryzen CPU family which have leaked out and spotted by Momomo_US. What's interesting about this leak is that it mentions the specific core count and the CPU family designation for each SKU. The 8-core chip will most likely be positioned in the Ryzen 7 segment with a maximum TDP of 170 watts while the 6-core chip will be positioned in the Ryzen 5 segment and will feature a 105 watts TDP. The 6-core chip is also listed as a A0 revision while the 8-core chip has been listed as a B0 revision. These are most likely early prototype chips and the TDPs here are not going to be representative of the final product. For example, the AMD Ryzen 7 7700X CPU which currently features an 8-core Zen 4 configuration has a maximum TDP of 105 watts. If AMD is giving its 8-core Zen 5 chips a 170 watts TDP bump, then we can expect some massive clock improvements since the Ryzen 7 7700X already features a peak clock speed of 5.3 GHz. Not a whole lot about AMD's Zen 5 core architecture is known at the moment, but from what the company has officially stated, it will offer enhanced performance and efficiency, repipelined front-end and wide-issue integrated die and machine learning optimizations. We have already seen lots of updates and optimizations happening in the background around the Zen 5 core architecture and various new patches, and we have also seen alleged samples leak out earlier too with the same OPN codes. PC builders buying an AM5 platform now are assured drop-in compatibility with the next-gen AMD Ryzen CPUs. The company has committed to a 2025 plus plan for its AM5 socket, and as we have seen on the AM4 platform, AMD supports its desktop platforms more than Intel with a very strong 7-year plus dedication to its previous platform. The Zen 5 core architecture will also be coming to the next-gen Ryzen laptop family codenamed Strix Point, which is also scheduled for a later 2025 CPU release plan.